wesizwe othatha abafana abancane ngiyabonga Mkhondo engakusho namhlanje ngithi sizela sizogidinga sizela to celebrate bantu baseMkhondo sizoni celebrate namhlanje ngubusisiwe Mkhwebane lo yo convener angihambi ngedwa ngihamba the national organizer ubaba uNdlela okhona phakathi kwethu ngihamba nama National High Command deployee ubaba uMandla Sidu nobaba uMdebele. It's our National High Command team, and then sine provincial detachment yethu nathi la eMpumalanga ashila umfundisi uPhola athi siqala on a new slate sibasha siphume ebhokisini bantu baseMkhondo sinobaba uSkhwameni from Enhlanzeni, sinobaba uNgobeni from Enhlanzeni, sinobaba uKhoza uProkhoza from Garisibande, sinobaba uTreasure Tabete from Garisibande. We also have our members wethu we National Assembly abakhona ngoba nivotile bantu baseMpumalanga siyabonga sikwazile ukuthi sibe nama members eParliament sibe nama members eProvincial Legislature and kungenxa yenu. So today sizele ukuthi kini siyathokoza khulu kwamambala and sithi kini naku esikwenze namhlanje seza la sazo celebrate si celebrate unyaka. It's a built up event. Siyaya emabhida siyaya emabhida siyaya. So sizothokoza namhlanje sinekhekhe sizodla organization. Siyazi ukuthi this is the only organization ezozikhipha emhlagweni. This is the only organization bantu beMkhondo engeke kusahlupheka ukuthi hey izindlu zethu ziwile simoshakalelwe asinamanzi asinazindlela. Mpumalanga as a whole ukuthi sine high unemployment rate abantwana bethu ababereki asinamanzi asinazibhedlela asina quality education. So sithi CMK eMpumalanga sizomake sure ukuthi ama mineral resources wethu umhlaba makhosi umhlaba uzosisebenzela. So today sizo celebrate lokho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu program director, our deputy chair of the organization who also leadela this event namhlanje. This is a national event bantu baseMpumalanga ukuze sigidinge si back nobumnandi nje sigqebeleke. So ngizohanda over back to the deputy national chairperson ubaba uMkojo azosilidela this program and then uzasho ukuthi sikhamba njani. Sithokoze khulu abafundisi abakhona engibamentionile but ke sizezwa bazosipha umlayeza wokusupporta. Ngiyathokoza ithokoze khulu ke the very important ex-combatants abakhona la ngaphakathi kwethu ama veterans. Siyazi ke ukuthi basinakekele kakhulu all the leadership zama regions wethu, everyone uya ngaphandle kweMpumalanga uzosupporta. Members of the media, thank you so much. Nizo make sure ukuthi everyone osekhaya uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Thokoze khulu kwamambala.
Thank you, Commander. Without wasting